it's Val. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if you do like it. A couple days ago, I did get the intel that Tom Ford was having some sort of sale on his website. Their website? To my knowledge, Tom Ford never goes on sale. I might be wrong there. This was the first time I'd ever heard of anything like that happening, so I was like, yes, please. I went over there. I only grabbed 3 things because, well, even on sale, it's still ridiculously expensive. So if you've never ordered something from Tom Ford's website online, it comes in a box like this. I was a little underwhelmed at the fact that it did come in a box like this and that it was wrapped like this. I know that sounds kind of silly, but even Walmart with their beauty boxes ship things wrapped in tissue paper. So just side note. One thing that I do find kind of interesting, I ordered one bigger item and then 2 smaller items. Now, these smaller items are what appear to be gift wrapped. So I don't know what happened there, why this one would have had more attention to detail versus this one just being wrapped in some tissues. After I bought these, I actually went online outside of that and I was like, I wonder if it's on sale anywhere else or like anybody else is carrying these items. Which I wish I knew that they do exist elsewhere because I would have bought a different color in one of the things that I'll show you. Honestly, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I was like, oh, maybe it'll work for me. I don't know. I don't have high hopes for it. It looks like it's like kind of like a wax stamp imprint. So I'm gonna take that off. I don't want to, but it's part of the territory, I guess. It's really on there. Okay, I got it off. And the TF is still intact. I got 2 lip products. The first thing that I got, this is the thing I was kind of talking smack about, that I was like, why the hell did I buy that? Tom Ford Soleil Lumiere Lip in the color Aurora. Again, I don't have high hopes for this, so okay. Well, the packaging is absolutely unbelievable. It has a nice weight to it. It's really luxe. It's kind of weird, but it does smell like a fragrance of some sort. Not like it has fragrance in it, but that it smells like somebody sprayed it with cologne, probably. It smells very strong of, oh, I think that might be my nails that I just painted. Whoops. It does have the TF stamped into it. I hope you guys can see this. And when you open it, okay, I wasn't kidding. Why did I buy this? It is purple. Can you see that? I imagine, okay. So the idea behind this one, from what I read and saw online, is that they had 3 different shades. One was like an orange coral color, one was like a pinky red, and then there was this lavender purple thing happening. This was the only one they had left on the Tom Ford website. Full disclosure. Now, outside of being, I think, a $26 or $27 balm on sale, I think these are like $55 when they first launched. So they're supposed to adjust to the pH of your lip color. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Okay, so on my hand, I don't really see anything. It's not picking up in the camera, but it's also like not on my hand in real life either. I mean, there's a little bit of a glow there. Maybe I should take my lipstick off and try this. I'll do that. Hold on one second. Okay, so I took my lipstick off. They are still a little dark because I used a color that I guess stained a little bit. I wasn't anticipating that to happen, but anyway. So I'm gonna put this on and see what happens because I think that I don't think your hand has a pH level. Maybe it does, but I feel like maybe it's a lip thing. But anywho, we're gonna do this together. Can you see that? I really like this color. So much, in fact. I love that color. It's like a natural enough kind of situation. I'm not putting lipstick on my lips. It's adding a flush of color and it's hydrating. And I am so freaking in love with this product. I legitimately was not expecting this. Yes. Okay, because I was like, they don't, you know, you buy it and you hate it, what are you gonna do? Throw it away? Probably. But no, I don't have to do that. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, now this one I had high hopes for, so let's see if this happens this way. And it's another lip product, so I'm gonna have to take this off again because It does have a purple tinge to it when you remove it on a cloth, which is strange. And it might have looked a little more purple in the camera, admittedly, but I didn't really. To me, it was more of like a blush mauve. I don't know. Next on the list, Tom Ford Soleil Lip Lacquer Liquid Tint. Again, it's got that gold, beautiful packaging. This color is called Ecstasy. No, it's called Escapist. Okay, this is very run-of-the-mill. Honestly, I'm already underwhelmed. So, from what I read online, I think it's supposed to be like a balm, like a hydrating balm situation. And it has the TF on the top, just like all the other little babies. And, I mean, if you were to look at a photo of this online, you might think this is made of glass or something more substantial to be $56. No, you're horribly mistaken. This is a literal tube of lip gloss from what I can see, and I think I paid $28 for this. Bitch, you better knock my socks off. I feel like it should be noted, if you can see this. It smells vaguely of vanilla sprinkles. I think so. It smells like you could eat it. I wouldn't recommend it, but it does smell pleasant. It's not very strong. It honestly doesn't look very thick either. So it's like a slanted edge, like a doe foot that got bent in the wrong direction or had a bad morning. You know what I mean? Okay, that's very pink. I don't know, guys. I don't know. How do I feel about you, lip gloss? Not my go-to color. Straight up. I would not have picked this normally if I knew it was going to translate in this fashion. I think what I'm going to do in real life is take this off and put my purple one back on because I'm not a fan. I mean, it's not terrible. It's just not something I would have gravitated toward had I known it was like a bubblegum pink. I wouldn't have gone, this would not have been my first rodeo. That didn't make any sense, it's fine. Putting this one back on because I love it so much. My lips are a little upset looking because I've been like taking so much stuff off of them and putting it back on. Do you like how I'm still talking even though I'm like applying my lipstick? This is kind of awkward, it's fine. I love it so much I cannot even get over it. I cannot. Okay, it looks like really purple right now on that. I don't know. So the last thing that I got, and I have like mixed hopes for this because of the swatches that I saw online, i.e. there were none, literally. Nobody talked about this in a video. I was so pissed because I couldn't find enough info and I just was like, okay, I'm just gonna drop $45 on this and hope that it works out because final sale. So again, with this really underwhelming tissue paper wrap. This is called the, I'm gonna go over here. This is called the Tom Ford Soleil Peach Glow Tone Up. Apparently this was a big deal when it came out. I think, I mean, not like the biggest deal, but it was a deal of some variation, and I just obviously found out about it via the sale that I was alerted about. Very large packaging. It looked beautiful. Like the package itself looked beautiful online. Oh, okay. Look! It comes in a little velvet satchel. Are we in love? Oh, this is precious. This one was $87, I think. This is the one that was $87. People in the world that pay $87, if you're watching this, if you literally pay $87 for something like this, you're just a little freaking bonkers. Just throwing it out there. I'm gonna unveil it. If I could. Woohoo! Okay. Alright. Got the TF. Yes. That is real attractive. Very attractive, compact. If nothing else, I have a beautiful mirror that I can take with me and feel like I'm really luxury. You know what I mean? Like the most luxurious of all will be me with this. It's got the gold around the side. It does say Tom Ford right here. It does have, it's kind of like imprinted in here. It's neat. It's got on the back the variation. The description is right here. That's the word I'm looking for. When you open it, ooh, ooh, yes. There's a mirror, ooh. And it has Tom Ford written inside of the mirror, which is wonderful. Oh, so this little guy, this little thingy is very nice. I am really pleasantly surprised already. I'm gonna hold on to that underneath. And then I guess we open this. And then there's a little thing that you pull out. What the frick? It smells like a cleaning solution. not like Clorox, but like it smells a little medicinal. I'm not a fan of that. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, so it feels, I will say that when you close it, I don't think you need that little thing to go back on there, the little sticker, because it is really airtight. It does feel very secure, like it's not gonna dry out anytime soon. So I'm gonna not use this right now because I'm not using this on my face. From what I understand about this product, from what I understand about this product itself is not actually a foundation. What is it called? A glow up? Glow tone up? The tone up is supposed to be used as a sort of primer. I keep spitting. I'm salivating. Am I liking it? I don't know. The glow tone up is supposed to be like an illuminating primer that you put on before you put on your foundation version of this item. Now, they did make, I think, literally 2 foundation colors because Tom Ford, anyway, I'm enough rambling. Let's do this. I'm gonna swatch this for you. I'm just kind of getting in there a little bit. I really don't know what the hell I was thinking. End scene. Part of me wonders if I could pull this off as a primer base with like a stipple brush, just lightly kind of putting it on my face when I'm super tan from being in the sun all day. I mean, it's not bad, but I really do wonder because, like, in the camera, I don't know how much of this is really translating. It's almost like a bronzy orange color. I also feel like, I know it's supposed to be a primer, but like, what if I used it as a blush of some sort? Like, I'm wearing a considerable amount of cream blush right now, so oh, I really like that. Look, I'm a fan of using beauty products as not intended, because if you can, you know, you buy something like this and then it's too dark for you, what are you gonna do? I don't know. I really like this as a very gentle. Again, I have a lot of blush on, so I don't really know what you're gonna see, but I do really like this. Okay, I'm picking it up in the mirror. That looks really, really dark for the viewfinder. It is not that dark in real life. Do not freak out, I promise you. It's a very gentle kind of coral-ish. No, not coral, it's peachy. It's a very peachy kind of situation. Although again, I do wonder, should I go over this a little bit? It's a little dark looking in the camera. It looks a little dark in the camera. Again, how do I feel about the medicinal smell? Not sure yet, I'll let you know later. I think I like it as a blush. I think next time I do this though, I'm not gonna have the other blush underneath it because again, it's a little dark. It's just a little dark there. So a gentle recap for you lovely folks. I got the Tom Ford Glow Tone Up in Peach Glow. I think that's what it's called. Peach Glow. This hellaciously overpriced lip balm serum gloss shit. I'm not a fan of that. And then I got my new HG freaking lip balm ever. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, loving this, loving this so much. I believe that this is my favorite thing I bought. Like, could have bought 2 of these for 1 of these, but hey, who's counting? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If anyone has bought any of these products and you feel similarly about any of them, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and especially if you don't agree with anything I've said, let me know. What are your favorite items from Tom Ford outside of the Soleil collection? Things that are not on sale. Maybe there are things that are really worth buying from his beauty line, or maybe it's all just a hype of baloney. I don't think that made any sense. Hope you guys all had a great day, and I hope to see you around the bend soon. Thanks so much, bye!